This 4th of July weekend, beachgoers in Southern California are being warned about sick and dying sea lions and dolphins. For weeks now, at times, there have been as many as 60 reports an hour of sea animals in danger. CNN's David Culver went out with the Marine Rescue Team and explained what's likely behind the deadly threat.
8 a.m. and they're already playing catch-up. These marine wildlife rescuers inundated with calls for help.
Two animals, one's sicker than the other one. One's way up the beach, and there's one by the tide line.
The beach itself over here has been narrowing, so it's a little dicey sometimes.
We go along with wildlife rescuer Adam Fox. He's been saving sea lions for nearly 15 years. What he's seen on Southern California beaches since late May is unprecedented.
Is there anyone there that potentially assist us?
There's a lifeguard there.
Okay, great. Thank you.
As we get closer, we spot one of the sea lions.
Looks like she's having a seizure right now.
What we'll do is just be very gentle with her. Get those flipper pits in. And I'm gonna flip her to you.
In 3, 2, 1. They obviously were able to rescue one, but you can see behind us another one that didn't survive. I mean, it's just heartbreaking seeing this.
The cause sits just off the coast in the Pacific Ocean. Out here, scientists say a massive bloom of toxic algae is growing, stretching some 200 miles from Santa Barbara south to San Diego, and forecasted to get worse.
The ocean temperature is projected to be its warmest over the next 5 years. That's the recipe for these blooms to become more intense.
Smaller sea creatures feed on the toxic algae. They, in turn, are eaten by larger mammals, like dolphins and sea lions. These algal blooms have happened before, but this year scientists warn that the concentration of toxins in this bloom, forecasted in red, is leading to potentially record deaths of marine life.
Experts liken this to waves of a tsunami washing over local beaches, with even more sea lions and dolphins showing symptoms.
The dolphins, lifeless once they hit the shore. The sea lions, beached and suffering from seizures and paralysis.
People who have called in because they've seen animals out on the beach, and they've described it as the ocean sort of coughing up death.
I'm here to report a sea lion. Seems to be foaming at the mouth and looks like it's in some distress.
This one's really on his way out. His eyes are closed and it just shallow breathing. That's so sad.
All of it weighs on rescuers like Adam.
Sorry. I just know from working in the colonies how incredible the animals are, so they deserve respect.
Respect this team shows through care, unloading the seizing sea lion for Dr. Lauren Palmer to begin treatment. Dr. Palmer's not had a day off in months. Her desperate patients keeping her busy.
Big breath, she seems a little bit more comfortable.
There's no guaranteed cure. The meds and fluids can help flush the toxins out, but if the toxins take hold, the brain damage is irreversible, causing erratic and aggressive behavior, including towards people who get too close. Off to the side, we notice this pup fighting for survival, desperate for milk and nurturing that only his mother can provide. She's sedated as her body fights off the toxins.
She might deliver a healthy live pup, but doesn't nurse, doesn't lactate, doesn't pay attention to it.
The Marine Mammal Care Center had 40 sea lions this time last year. Today, they're caring for 3 times that number.
We ordered fish for the whole year based upon what we would normally see and have gone through the entire 150,000 pounds this month.
So overwhelming, they've had to accommodate overflow in the parking lot.
And that's put strains on our personnel. We have 1 veterinarian.
Is it only going to get worse?
They used to call it an unusual mortality event. And unfortunately, they're frequent enough now that they no longer call them unusual because they're not.
Relentless and expected to intensify, possibly devastating generations of sea lions, like this pup, just 7 days old. He may not make it.
Normally, John, in a story like this, we'd want to show you the release of the healthy, rehabilitated sea lions. The problem is, not only is that toxic algal bloom still out there, but it's also growing. And so folks who are treating those sea lions can't yet release them at risk of them being reinfected as soon as they're back out into the ocean. And so that further complicates this situation and really overwhelms those efforts to take care of those animals. John?